Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we'll take a quick look at how to import bank statements in Business Central. To import bank statements, the first step is to choose a bank statement import format. The format you use usually depends on the region where Business Central is being used. To define the bank statement import format, start by opening the bank account card. This should be the bank account that will be used with the bank feed service. In this example, we're using an existing bank account. Under the Transfer tab, you'll find the field called Bank Statement Import Format. Here, you can select the format you want to use. From a setup perspective, this is the only configuration required. To import a bank statement into a bank reconciliation, go to Bank Account Reconciliations. In this case, a reconciliation is already created. The bank account number, statement date, and ending balance have already been entered. Once everything is ready, you can import the bank statement file. Select Import Bank Statement, which you'll find under the Bank menu. When you choose this option, Business Central will prompt you to select a file. Click Choose, which opens your File Explorer, and select the bank statement file you want to upload. After the file is imported, Business Central automatically loads the lines into the bank statement lines and attempts to match the transactions automatically. You can accept the suggested matches, override them, or choose not to match entries automatically. If you want to fine-tune how matching works, you can use the Match Automatically function under Matching. Here, you can define a transaction date tolerance. This setting controls how many days before or after the ledger posting date Business Central will look when matching transactions. For example, setting the value to 0 or leaving it blank means only transactions with exact matching dates will be considered. Once you're satisfied, select OK. All eligible transactions will be matched, and the relevant applied fields will be automatically updated. If you need to remove a match, simply select the bank statement line, open the Matching menu, and choose Remove Match. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.